everyone, this is Sandy Create the Heart, and I'm back with video number 3 of my Tailored Expression Stamp Joy Spring 2021. I did have the first video talks about the kit, the second video talks about the Friday Make and Take add-on class, and then today, or this video, I'll be talking about the main kit, which I did have a video on that and what we made. So, let's go ahead and came this cool bag. Okay, so, let's see here how I want to do this. Okay. So first, let's talk about the kit. So what we got. Let's see here. So we got envelope seals, which these ended up selling out. We got a pack of envelopes for all of our cards. We got this stamp set. So this is almost like a the stamp cling and clear combo. It's very similar, except it's a die, which it's a die and clear combo kind of thing. So it's a kaleidoscope cutting die. We got the stamp set, which works with this die, as well as somewhere in here. Oh, here they are. You got the die. So you got the stamps, this faceplate, cover plate die, and then this die. That all goes in a kit together. And then let me show you here, Make and Take number 1. So this was where you use the cover plate as an embossing folder. So we did that technique, and then we did we covered this with some ink. I didn't have the colors that they used. I kind of just experimented with what I had. But here's the first one. That was Make and Take number 1. Let's see. Not that we have to do these in order, but okay, Make and Take number 2. So this one was a very easy one. Oh, I forgot to show you the other thing that we got. We got a selection of stamps. So a selection of stamps that we used on all of our projects. So these all come from different collections. So we did get that. But anyway, this one we stamped on vellum and we heat embossed. And then we colored with Copics on the back. So that was kind of a really fun technique that I really don't do. So that was fun. Simple card, but I really like it. And then Make and Take number 3 was one where we did multiple of the same card. So I did these a little differently because what I discovered that I struggled with is when I was trying to do the heat embossing, because you're supposed to do the happy birthday over this one, what was happening was that my embossing powder was sticking to the happy birthday. Like they must not have been completely dry or something. So it was just not working out. So I ended up having to stamp it on the bottom underneath the words. It just, I don't know. It just was not working for me. So the embossing powder was just getting on the happy. So super annoying. But anyway, we did some fun techniques with this. We used this confetti stencil where you turn it and turn it and turn it, kind of like a turnaround stamp, except you're stenciling, and then that way you can get different colors. And so I really liked that. That was like an exclusive one that they made just for this. So we made 4 of these cards right here. That was Make and Take number 3. And then probably, I don't know if this is my favorite one, but one of my favorite ones that we made was this one, which is a mini slim line. And I thought that was really cute. Maybe you want to buy all the products, which I'm sure is the whole point of this, besides just having fun. So I did enjoy that. Here's Make and Take number 5. I don't know. So this was one of the ones where I struggled with this one because I was not following directions. I left to go feed my kids. And so this one is just not. Okay, so here we go. So basically the idea behind this one is one of those ones where, you know, the color appears when you You pull a tab or whatever. So that's what this one was. So something different. I'd never done that before, so that was fun. That was number 5. And number 6 was a joy card, which I really, or an S card, which I really like. I really loved this. This was a fun technique. It was a super easy card to make, but a really fun technique because we stamped this hello in white, and then we moved the paper over just slightly to do to stamp over it, and so this multicolor like a rainbow. So that I loved. This one we got, they gave us part of a stencil so that we could do the polka dots on that card. So that was kind of fun. And then this was the last card that we made. And this was really fun because we used the cover plate die. So we cut it out and then we used it as a stencil. So you end up with this colored piece that you could then place on a card, which I am going to do. I just didn't get a chance to do that because actually I'm getting my flooring put in this week over spring break. So I won't have access to my craft room because I'm using the craft room as a place to store a bunch of stuff, because this room I'm not getting done because I could not face taking everything out of here. So when my kids move out, then I'll move the stuff into their room and then I will get this room done. But till then, forget it. It's not happening. So this is a card that moves. Isn't that fun? And so I love how this one came out. This one's really cute. So that was card number 7. So we made a total of, I think, 10 cards. And then the gifts at the end do not open until closing session. Were these fun notebooks, rainbow notebooks. I love, and this really cute pen. So that was Stamp Joy. I do believe it was worth $150. I do not think it was overpriced. They probably gave away about 100, or probably close to. They gave away a lot of gifts, you know, like giveaways. I didn't win anything, of course, but they gave away a ton of stuff. And it was really well done. Everything was really well organized. It ran over just slightly, and the projects were all great. The value, I think, was pretty good, and so I definitely recommend that one. It was very good. So thank you for watching. This is Cindy, Create the Heart.